Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Success EDUTECH. I am Prashant Jadhav. Today we are watching some current GK quiz and their answers here. These are multiple choice questions. So it's most important for your competitive exams. First question, Ministry of Power has issued notification to cover which organization under the Energy Conservation EC Act 2001. Option B is the correct option. Power distribution companies. Here we will watch the explanation of answer. The Ministry of Power has issued a notification to cover all electricity distribution companies, DISCOMs, under the purview of the Energy Conservation EC Act 2001. The DISCOMs will be governed under the various provisions of EC Act like appointment of energy manager, energy accounting and auditing, identification of energy losses, etc. Next question. What is the call sign of Boeing B777? The VVIP aircraft used by India's President, Vice President and Prime Minister. Correct option is A. Air India 1. Here we will watch explanation. Air India 1 is the call sign for the Air India 1 B777 VVIP aircraft used by the President, Vice President and Prime Minister. Recently, the first flight of the Air India 1 B777 aircraft was inaugurated with the Indian President Ramnath Kovind on board. The aircraft is more fuel efficient and has a longer range than the previous B747 400 aircraft. It also has state-of-the-art missile defense system. Next question. The Small Industries Developed Bank of India (CDB) has signed a MOU with which southern state to develop MCME ecosystem? Option B, Tamil Nadu. Now we will watch explanation. Memorandum of Understanding MOU was signed by the Small Industries Development Bank of India CDBI with the Tamil Nadu government to develop the ecosystem for micro, small and medium enterprises MSMEs in the state. Under the MOU, CIDBI will deploy the project management unit in the government of Tamil Nadu. It will undertake the process of designing the training and capacity building programs to be taken up by the state government in areas. Question 4. Which Indian state has approved to rename caste-based settlements? Maharashtra. Here we will watch explanation. Option D is the correct option. And we will the explanation. The government of Maharashtra has decided to rename the settlements in the state having names based on caste. Habitations like Maharavada, Mangavada, Brahmanwada, etc. that have indications of caste-based settlements would be changed and named after leaders of the nation. So the state cabinet has recently approved the change the names of those settlements. So the Maharashtra is the right option. What is Shinkansen that what making the news recently? Correct option is B. High-speed train. Now we will watch explanation. Recently, the Embassy of Japan in India has ruled out some images of E5 series Shinkansen high-speed bullet trains used in Japan, which would be modified for use in Mumbai Ahmedabad High Speed Rail MAHSR project. Once the project is completed, the travel time between Mumbai and Ahmedabad would be reduced to 2 hours. The project is expected to be completely by 2023. So, dear students, my lecture is completed here. Namaskar.